Condensation can be a big problem on your roof, especially in the winter and with metal roofing. So the air inside of your attic is warmer than what the air is outside. Humidity in that air rises. The humidity can come from your heating elements. It can come from, if your insulation in your attic's not quite good enough, it'll come up through the attic. It freezes to the bottom side of the metal and then eventually drips off. We see horror stories all the time. We've seen black mold. We've seen entire roof decks needing to be replaced because they're soggy and wet. It just rolls down the metal till it hits something solid like a 2x4 or a board or the wooden boards that your metal is on, and then it just absorbs into that wood. And so over time, when this happens 5 years in a row, that board starts to get soft. Fixing this problem can be 2 or 3 times more costly than just getting a new roof. At Starway Roof Systems, we strongly recommend investing in a product called Condensstop. I have a piece of scrap metal here that has the Condensstop pre-applied to it. It kind of has like a sponge-like feel. It's a fleece type product. On average, Condensstop only adds about 15% more to the cost of your total roof replacement, but it's well worth the investment in the long run. Condensstop works by preventing the humidity from reaching the bottom side of the cold metal, which prevents it from freezing. And anything that does freeze on the bottom side of the metal will actually be absorbed in to the Condensstop, and it won't allow it to release. So it'll just hold it up until the sun comes out and it evaporates. Condensstop will actually hold up to 1 quart of water per 10-foot by 10-foot area. If you have any questions or concerns about your roof, please give us a call at Starway, 814-308-0490.